Competition on the internet is very tough, but that doesn't mean that there's no place for you. So if you want to build a social media brand, then you may as well do it right so that you create a professional and impressive social media presence. Welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Jackie D. I'm here to help you build your self-esteem and help you create a strong social media presence. So in this video, I'm going to give you a rough outline of what you have to do so that you can create that social media presence. I know it may sound intimidating for the most of you, especially if you're new, but you have to create a captivating website. You don't have to be a web designer to create a website. I love GoDaddy, and GoDaddy hosts the 3 websites that I maintain. Your website is the tool where you can introduce yourself, talk about yourself, establish your authority in your niche. You can publish your testimonials, videos, any events, any speaking engagements or publications that you have actually written. Your website is your online resume. Create a social media strategy. It's the age of social media. We can't ignore social media. I would suggest that if you're running your social media by yourself, just focus on 1 or 2 platforms first. Feel how it is. Have those and just focus on building those. When you're comfortable, when you have established a sort of routine or timing, then by all means you can welcome more applications or more social media platforms, right? The secret is to be consistent. So you have to have a certain type of theme. You have to have your logo stand out in all of your brands. Your niche should be very clear. The feel of your presence should be uniform across all of your platforms. Engaging content. You can never underestimate the value of engaging information. It just has to be something that really attracts your audience, that glues your audience. It has to keep them reading because they're curious, because they're interested to know more about what you've written or what you've filmed. Interact with your audience. Once you put your brand out there, you put your name out there, people will contact you, or even on your Instagram or YouTube, people will be replying or commenting or writing feedback. Make sure to reply. I don't suggest replying with generic messages. You want to add some personal touch, right? Because it makes them feel good. It makes them feel special that you actually took the time to read their comments. Some of them will send you messages, and by all means, reply to the messages. Keep them cordial, professional, ethical, and friendly if you're already on a personal level. Just let everyone know that you are not ignoring them. So relate, engage, connect. Media production, multimedia production, film, your blog, everything. Try your best to make it as close as possible to professional 5-star caliber. I'm very particular about aesthetics, but I do believe in giving it your best shot. Competition is really tough. Sometimes what's perfect for us is not good enough for your reader, right? So we try to give it our best. We don't want to be wishy-washy. We don't want to say like, that's fine. I think it's good enough. Good enough is good enough, right? You want it to be good. If you have reached this part of the video so far, I hope it's because you're liking the episode and you're learning something from it. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And then that way you can learn from everything else that I'm going to share. I'm going to try my best to provide you with as much information as I can. Always remember that we are online for a purpose. Always look at it from the point of view of your audience. Make sure that you are serving them. You are allowing them the opportunity to gain something from visiting your website or from listening to you, because everybody's busy. Everyone's time is important, and you want to make sure that you value your audience's time. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.